Hello guys, welcome to today's video. We were flying the drone earlier and it kind of disconnected from the controller and it's gone missing, should we say. Well, it has gone missing. So I'm just like looking around for it to see if we can find it anywhere at all. It's so windy. And I've looked in the spot where it said it should be on like the map, but I can't find it anywhere, so I feel like it might have gone in someone's garden. I'm just going to look down this back alley bit because there's a possibility of it down here. I don't think it has. I can't see anything down there. But yeah, I'll show it on the screen, like where it is. But yeah, it's like nowhere to be seen. I've filled in a thing on DJI, like the flyaway thing, so that when it goes missing, you know, they can be notified. And I think they may be able to replace it, but there'll be probably going to be a fee to it. But yeah, we'll just have to see how it goes, really. I'll keep it updated on the channel. I'll put like a community post out whenever they come back, so just keep up to date with that. So according to the map where the exact location is, it should have landed literally right here. It should have literally landed right here, but there's no DJI Mini SE in sight at all. I've looked at nothing there. And according to this, it's in between this road here on the left and with the net. There's literally nowhere inside. I've actually looked everywhere and I cannot find it at all. But yeah, it should have been around here, I was hoping, but can't see it anywhere at all. It is literally nowhere inside. Yeah, I think it's one of them. It's gone missing, unless someone's like, it's landed and someone's taken it. I don't know. But yeah, it's one of them. So wish me luck with it. We'll see what happens. You don't know with these things, like, they may be able to replace it, but it's probably going to become at a cost. If it's missing, it's missing, obviously. There's not much you can do about it. It just literally disconnected from the controller and I pressed return to home. It never returned to home. But I looked at it on the camera view, it looked like it started flying up to go to like the altitude before it returns home. And then it just disconnected from the camera completely then. I waited about 5 minutes, nothing happened, so I presume the battery's gone on it, it's gone to the floor. A, it's either smashed up in pieces, or B, it's in someone's garden maybe, or C, it's gone down onto the floor and someone's taken it. That's like the three options really.